Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an eye makeup tutorial, specifically this one. I asked you guys on Instagram and this is what you wanted. If you're not already following me there, then check out my Instagram so that we can stay connected even on days when I don't upload on YouTube. This is a very simple and subtle look. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm going to start by putting eye primer on my eyelid. It acts as a nice base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use this matte shade and apply it all over my eyelid. For my crease, I start with this darker eyeshadow. I apply it at the corner of my eye and spread it along the socket of my eye. Now using a blending brush, I'll blend the eyeshadow. I'm using the shimmery copper shade for my eyelid. Dabbing this lighter shade at the inner corner of my eye. And no festive look is complete without some glitter. Using a kajal, I'll draw a very thin straight line close to my lashes. Now I'll apply kajal to lower waterline. I'll apply some base shade to my lower lash line. And lastly, I'll finish the look with 2 coats of mascara. And that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button down below. If you are new to my channel, then hello, my name is Mohna and I make fashion beauty related videos every week. So make sure you subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!